So here is where we're at. Our welds are ugly, so they're inside. But there we have it, guys. That's one part of this project done. I'm gonna dye the plastics on the saw, but thought about painting it, but it'll probably just bake right off. So I think we'll go outside and fire it up and see how it sounds. Now it's time to dye the plastic. Not everybody's seen this done. And bottle number 2. Put that on a hot plate, bring it up to a boil, and then we're going to dump in our plastic. Guys, she is looking sharp. I don't know if you can hear over the AC unit, but started pouring the rain about the time I got the plastics bolted on it. So yeah, that's what it's been doing here for about a week. But wrapped the handle, dyed the plastics, made the muffler cover, we ground the chain. Just kind of trying to throw a video together a little different here. I was hoping to end it with some cuts and some hickory, but I don't know, guys. We'll just have to see. think there's enough there to make one cut. That saw's nuts. Guys, I'd say that'll work. Y'all have a good one.